Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. In that exercise 2.3, first question. The question is given, solve the following equations. In that question number 11, that is 15 of, the question is given 15 of x minus 1 plus 4 of x plus 3 is equals to, that is 2 of x plus 1, 7 plus x. Okay, so this is the question. Then see how to solve this question. So what I am taking here, with the 15 I am going to multiply complete this expression. ఈ bracket లో ఉన్న part ని with 15 తోటి multiply చేయండి. 15 of ఇలా bracket ఉంటే of, that is nothing but multiplication. 15 into x, that is what nana, we get 15 of x, that is 15x minus 15 into 1, that is 15, plus here with the 4 we completely multiply the expression x plus 3. Okay, that is 4 of x, 4x plus 4 3s are 12 is equals to 2 of 7, that is what, 2 7s are 14 plus 2 of x, that is 2x. Okay, now what I am doing here, by adding the like terms, here 15x is there, here 4x is there. 15x plus 4x what now, that is 19x. Here minus 15 is there, here plus 12 is there. Minus 15 plus 12 means we get, that is minus 3 is equals to this side 14 plus 2x. In next step what I am doing, transposing minus 3 from LHS side to RHS side, and usually transposing plus 2x from RHS side to LHS side. Okay, then what happens? Here 19x is there, plus 2x transposing from RHS to LHS, it becomes minus 2x is equals to this side 14 is there, minus 3 is transposing from LHS to RHS, it becomes plus 3. Now 19 minus 2, 19 minus 2, that is what nana, 17. So 17x is equals to 14 plus 3, that is also 17. 17x means you can understand it as 17 into x. So transposing 17 to RHS side, we get x is equals to 17 by 17. 17 cancel. So x is equals to, that is 1. Okay, so we get 17 cancel, 17 ones are 17 ones are, so we get x is equals to 1. So this is the required answer. Let us discuss one more question in this main, that is question number 8. First main, question number 8. The question is given 3 of t minus 3 is equals to 5 of 2t minus 1. What nana? 3 of t minus 3 is equals to 5 of 2t minus 1. Now see its solution. We just multiply the complete the expression which is in bracket with 3. Okay, 3 of t, 3 into t simply. Okay na, 3 of t means that is 3t. 3 of minus 3, 3 3s are minus 9 is equals to here 5 of 2t, 5 of 2t, 5 2s are 10t minus 5 ones are 5. Okay. Now here what I am doing, transposing minus 9 from LHS to RHS, and as well as plus 10t is transposing from RHS to LHS. Here 3t is there, plus t transposing to LHS side, it becomes minus 10t. Okay students, so I just transposed 10t from RHS to LHS, it becomes minus 10t, and is equals to this side minus 5 is there. I just transposed to minus 9 from LHS to RHS, it becomes plus 9. We know 3t minus 10t, 3 minus 10, that is what? That is minus 7t is equals to here minus 5 plus 9. Minus 5 plus 9 means we get, that is 4. We can write t is equals to 4 by 7. The required answer t is equals to what? Minus 4 by 7. Minus 7 is transposing to RHS side. The into quantities becomes division quantity. Okay. So this is the required answer for this question. Now see one more question in this main. That is question number 14. Question number 14. That is 3 of n minus 4 plus 2 of 4n minus 5 is equals to 5 of n plus 2 plus 16. Okay, so this is the given question. Now I am solving this equation. So as usually we just multiply the complete, what is the expression in bracket, with 3 of n what? That is 3n minus 3 into 4, that is 12, plus 2 of 4n, 2 4s are 8, so 2 of 4n means that is 8n, minus 2 5s are 10 is equals to this side also RHS side, 5 of n, that is 5n, plus 5 of 2, 5 2s are 10, already here plus 16 is there. Now here 3n is there, here plus 8n is there, 3n plus 8n, that is what? 3 plus 8, 11, so 11n. Here minus 12 is there, here minus 10 is there, minus 12 minus 10, both are having like signs, minus 12 minus 10, that is minus 22 is equals to this side 5n plus 10 plus 16, 10 plus 16, that is 26. In next step what I am doing, plus 5n is transposing to LHS side, minus 22 is transposing to RHS side. Here 11n is there, 5n transposing to LHS side, it becomes minus 5n is equals to this side 26 is there, minus 22 is transposing to RHS side, it becomes plus 22. Now 11n minus 5n, 11 minus 5 what? That is 6n is equals to 26 plus 22, 26 plus 22, that is 48. Now 6n means we know that is the product of 6 and n. Then n is equals to, if we transpose 6 to RHS side, it becomes division point. So n is equals to 48 by 6, 6 1s are 6 8s are 48. Okay, so we get clearly, therefore n is equals to, the value is what? 8. So like this we can solve these equations. If you want to verify, then verify just substitute the value of n in the place of n. Okay, now then you will get the required LHS is equals to RHS. So let us see verification. We'll get the n value is equals to what, Nana? N. You just substitute n value is equals to 8 in the place of n. Then what happened? Verification. This is what, Nana? Verification. 3 means I am writing 3 only. In the place of n I am writing what, Nana? 8. 8 minus 4. n minus 4 means that is 8 minus 4 plus 2 of 4n means that is 4 of 8 minus 5 is equals to 5 of n plus 2 means that is 8 plus 2 plus 16. Okay, now 3 of 8 minus 4 means that is 4 plus 2 of 4 8s are ఈ బ్రాకెట్లో 4n అంటే 4 into n కదా. సో in the place of n we just substituted 8. 4 8s are what? That is 32 minus 5 is equals to 5 of 8 plus 2 means that is 10 plus 16. Okay, now 3 of 4, 3 4s are what, Nana? That is 12 plus 2 of 32 minus 5. 32 minus 5 means what, Nana? That is 27. 32 minus 5, that is 27 is equals to this side 5 of 10. 5 10s are 50 plus 16. Here 12 plus 2 into 27 what, Nana? That is 54. ఇలా బ్రాకెట్ ఉంటే ఆఫ్ కదా. 2 of 27 that is 54 is equals to 50 plus 16 that is what, Nana? 66. So 12 plus 54 5 50 plus 10 60 62 plus 4 66 is equals to 66. So clearly LHS is equals to RHS. So this is the required verification for this question. Okay, na? So you to practice the remaining questions in this main like this only. If you need a verification, if you want, then substitute what you get the required value in that. Okay, students. Thank you.